Good morning, one and all. My name is Bharadwaj from EC department. Today my topic is about solar tree. Let's get into the topic. In this topic we are going to discuss about introduction of solar tree, what is solar tree, components of a solar tree, spiraling felt axis, why we call it as a solar tree, how solar panel works, advantages of solar panel, need of solar tree, why it is better than a traditional system, solar tree in India, applications, advantages, disadvantages, and finally the conclusion. Introduction. Nowadays, with a growing population and energy demand, we should take a renewable option energy source, and we should keep it in mind that energy should not cause a pollution and other natural hazards. In this case, solar energy is the best option for us. India is highly populated country, so we should take advantage of such energy resource which requires very less space to produce energy efficiency. In this case, solar tree could be the best one for us. We can also use this technique called spiraling phototachy to improve the efficiency of the plant. What is solar tree? A solar tree is a decorative means of producing energy source, solar energy and also electricity. It uses multiple number of solar panels which forms the shape of a tree. The panels are arranged in the tree fashion in the tall tower or pole. Tree stands for T is tree generating, R for renewable, E for energy, and E for electricity. This is like a tree in structure and the panels are like leaves and the tree which produces energy. Components of a solar tree. The solar tree consists of mainly 5 parts to design. One is solar panels and long tower, LEDs, batteries, stems for the connecting the panel. What is piling felt axis? It is a technique which is used to design the solar tree. It provides the way to help the lower panel from the shadow of upper ones so that it can trunk maximum power from sun. This technique is used to improve the efficiency of the. Why we call it as a solar tree? Tree can produce their own food material by the process called photosynthesis. Leaves are producing food material for the human beings. Likewise, in solar tree, solar plants are producing energy for the society. How solar panels works? Photovoltaic cell converts sunlight into electric energy and this effect is known as photovoltaic effect. Solar cells essentially create electricity by converting the photons of light into the electrons. Advantages of solar panel. If you use a solar panel, there will be no air pollution and decrease the electrical bill and it is an ecological friendly. Need of solar tree. Due to less land requirement, it requires less land as compared to the traditional PV system, so we require such a plant which can generate max energy using minimum land. Efficient energy generation. It can generate energy very efficiently as compared to the traditional system. It can collect energy from the wind. The stems are flexible so that they can rotate in any direction and by shaking themselves they produce energy also from the wind as in the case of natural tree. Why it is better than a traditional system? For the traditional system we require large size of land. For example, to generate 2 megawatt power from a PV module we require 10 to 12 acres of land for housing of panels only. In the same case, the same amount of energy we require only 0.10 to 0.12 acres of land in case of solar tree. Solar tree in India. India being a developed country and highly populated requires a power plant where maximum energy can be generated by using a minimum land. We must try to produce energy from sun by using the solar tree in our country to increase our per capita land and fulfill the growing energy. Applications of the solar tree. The solar tree is used in street lights, house supply and industrial power supply. Advantages of the solar tree. There will be no air pollution, people in poor country would have access to electricity, people can save money and the land requirement is very less. Disadvantages. The cost of the solar tree is very high and it may cause hazard to the birds and insects, hazard to eyesight from the solar reflectors. Conclusion. To fulfill the increasing energy demand, the people saving of land, this project is very successful one. This can provide electricity without any power cut problem, and the extra energy can be provided to the grid. Thank you.